Hey there, in this video, I will show you how to verify your age in Roblox. Number 1. Open the Roblox application. Log in to your account. Number 2. Once logged in, go to the lower right corner. Look for the three dots, then click. Number 3. Scroll and look for settings. Number 4. In settings, go to account info. You'll be asked to prepare your valid ID in order to verify your age. Number 5. In account info page, you can see a button that says Verify my age. Click that button. Number 6. Once you click the Verify my age button, a pop-up window will appear for your identity verification. Go ahead and click the Start Session. Number 7. Choose your ID type. Take a picture of the front and back part of your ID. Make sure to take a clear photo of your ID and follow all the steps well. Keep in mind that platform policies and features may evolve, so it is a good idea to check the official Roblox website or contact their support for the most up-to-date information on age verification and account management.